êtes installés? Les jardins, allez prendre 10 minutes de pause, réchauffez-vous.
United and defiant, throngs of workers hit the picket lines.
My friends, when we work together in solidarity, we will win, and we will win this fight.
Scenes like this stretch right across the country, from St. John's.
ኣብ ካናዳ ካብ ረቡዕ ጀሚሩ ክሳብ ሕጂ ካብ ሕጂውን ዝቕፅል ተቃውሞ ይግበር ኣሎ። እዚ ብIRCC ዝበሃል ናይ ስደተኛ ወኪል ወይ ድማ ፕሮሰስ ናይ ካናዳ ዝገብር ትካል ጀሚሩ ዘሎ ተቃውሞ ክሳብ ሕጂ ኣይቋረፅን ዘሎ። ብሰንኪ እዚ ድማ ብዙሓት ፕሮሰሳት ናይ ኤርትራውያን ናይ ኢትዮጵያውያን ናይ ብዙሓት ሃገራትን ጠጠው ኢሉሉ ኣብዚ ግዜ እዚ ማለት እዩ።
I had no idea that there was going to be some type of issue today.
This man was hoping to get a passport for his son, who is in Thailand.
It's just upsetting.
መንግስቲ ካናዳ ከም ዝሓበሮ ድማ እቲ ተቃውሞ ክሳብ ሕጂ ገደብ ከም ዘይብሉ ክሳብ መዓስ ተቃውሞ ከም ዝገብሩ ከም ዘይገለጹን ክሳብ ናይ ደሞዝ ውሳኸ ዝግበረሉ ድማ እዚ ተቃውሞ ክቕፅል ምዃኑ እቶም ሰራሕተኛታት IRCC ይገልጹ ኣለዉ። ስለዚ ፕሮሰስኩም ኣብ ሜዲካል ዝበፅሐ ወይ ድማ ሕጂ ጀሚሩ ገና ኣፕሩቫል ክትባሉ ትፅበዩ ዘለኹም ገና ተፀበኹም ኣይሽብን። ምክንያቱ ከም ዝበልኩም ጠጠው ኢሉ ስለ ዘሎ ተወረቐት ዝኾነ ዘሳልጥ ሰብ ስለ ዘየለ ሰራሕተኛ ዘይብሉ ትካል ኮይኑ ስለ ዘሎ ኣፕሩቭ ዝገብረልኩም ወይ ኢሜይል ዝሰደልኩም ሰብ ኣይክህሉን እዩ ማለት እዩ። እዚ ሽግር እዚ ድማ መዓስ ክፍታሕ ይከኣል? መንግስቲ ካናዳ ነቲ ወሳኽ ደሞዝ ዝብልዎ ዘለዉ ወሳኽ ደሞዝ ዝገብር ወይ ድማ ኣትሊስት ተመጣጠነ ዝኾነ ደሞዝ ጋር ምዝገብር እዩ እዚ ተቃውሞ ጠጠው ክብል ዝብሉ ዘለዉ ማለት እዩ። ንዝያዳ ሓበሬታ ብዛዕባ ዜና ከተንብቡ ትደልዩ ሰባት ሊንክ ናይቲ ዜና ወይ ድማ ናይ መንግስቲ ካናዳ ዝርግሖ ዜና ኣብ ታሕቲ ገድፈልኩም ክትሪእዋ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም።
As a result of the labor disruption, we would be at a significantly reduced capacity. Clients should expect to experience serious delays with processing applications across all of our immigration streams. At any given point in time, it's common for us to be managing more than 1 million applications. This is a large number, and we have been working night and day over the past year and a half as we came into the post-pandemic phase to reduce these backlogs, and we were getting very close to restoring service standards across all of our lines of business, and in fact have hit those service standards we enjoyed pre-pandemic for many of them. Unfortunately, the labor disruption will have an impact on the gains that we have made and the work that we've been doing to address some of these backlogs in our inventories since the pandemic. Further, delays could be experienced with citizenship services delivered admissions abroad. Clients with immigration-related appointments will be contacted to reschedule or cancel appointments, and we will also be forced to reschedule all citizenship events.
If there is no deal reached by 9 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, April 18th, I am authorizing a national general strike beginning at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday, April 19th, for all 155,000 PSAC members working for both the Canada Revenue Agency and Treasury Board.